Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer USDT from Binance to 1xBet. So this is really useful for depositing cryptocurrency for betting or gaming. And again, you have to make sure that you have your Binance account ready and your 1xBet wallet address verified. So once you're here, you will just have to look for make a deposit or deposit section. So which is right here. You just gotta click that and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to scroll down a little until you see the cryptocurrency section. So as you can see, this is the cryptocurrency section. So now that you're here, what you will have to do is look for USDT. So you do have to make sure first that it's actually available for you so that you will be able to successfully do the next steps. So yeah, once you see USDT, you will just have to click that, and then you will copy the wallet address provided by 1xBet for the USDT deposit. And then after you've copied the wallet address, you will just have to log into your Binance account. And again, you have to make sure that you already have your account. And once you've logged in, you should navigate to your wallet section. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on the layout of your screen or your version. So once you see the wallet section, you will just have to select fiat and spot, and then you will find USDT, and then after that you will just have to click withdraw, and then you will paste the 1xbet wallet address that we have copied earlier. And then of course you have to choose the correct network. It is usually TRC20 or ERC20, and then you just gotta double check with 1xbet's instructions so that you will be able to avoid loss of funds. And then after that, you will enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and complete Binance security verification such as OTP, email, or app verification. Then, you will confirm the withdrawal and wait for the blockchain network to process the transaction. That would usually take about a few minutes. And after all that, you will just have to check your 1xbet account, 1xbet account balance to ensure that your USDT has arrived. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.